Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So me and Victoria are experiencing every single California today. We're going to the beach.
I'm going to Big Bear later.
Victoria's going to Big Bear, which is the mountains, and I'm going to Palm Springs. So
all three.
Yeah, but
California.
It's 7 a.m. right now, and we are on our way to the beach. So, we're here at this little cute diner. There's Victoria. And I got the French toast. What'd you get?
Breakfast burrito. Early bird hour. Special.
Yeah, so little restaurant vibe, but yeah. Hey! Show our POV. Yeah, be seen with her. Me? We got a lot of. You still need to sign with. Don't say that! We forgot it. Okay, my hash browns. Yeah. I took a little bite already. Kylie, grab your bite right here. Wait, hold on, move your hand for a second. We look homeless right now. Oh, I'm just kidding. We are
too lazy to get up.
We have the butt heaters on right now. And we can't get up. We're broken. We're crippled. But we're about to go walk.
If we get up.
And be healthy. And so just laying here, and we're about to go see the surf comp. Hey guys, so here we are. Surf comp. Nice little freezing. Never go. Yes, go Johnny, go! Go Johnny! So we're here in Buffalo Exchange, and I'm gonna pick out something ugly, and I'm gonna show Victoria, and I'm gonna say it's really cute. Victoria, look how cute this is.
It's fancy. Would you wear it? I feel like it's cute if we went somewhere nice.
I'm kidding, it's not cute. I'm just pranking you.
Pretty.
Walk the prank. Prank successful.
I didn't know what else to say. We made it back.
We're back in SCV, and we got our phone photos right here. So that's accomplished. We did not get coffee. That's okay. But
That's why we're tired.
We did get some rings. I got engaged. Just kidding. To I don't know who. Not to Victoria.
To me.
I got engaged to Victoria, guys. And
oh, Kylie got a shirt too. Oh, don't show the mess.
We're in the back. We're gonna show the back because it's a little messy. No, gotta clean that. But yeah, it's literally 1 o'clock, and we have so much time until the swim meet. So yeah, I'll see you guys
For part 2 of Kylie's day.
Yeah. Bye. Say bye to Victoria because this
I won't be
last
here.
time you'll see her. Okay, bye.